Yeah. We're on our last day here in Tokyo. So this is the last site that I visited. Saka nag-shopping konti ng discounted na mga Nike. Matindi yung discount, no? Tapos may tax refund pa na binigay. So more or less mga around 30%. So we're here in Gundam, in Diversity, Tokyo Plaza. Dami mga may presentation, but I cannot wait because in an hour we'll be checking out sa hotel, yung Hilton Hotel. So balik tayo ngayon, walking, going back to malapit dyan sa magkatabi kasi yung Hilton saka Grand Nico here in Odaiba. So yung instruction sa akin kanina, punta ng 7th floor. It's a store pala ng Gundam. Then as I was exiting nakita ko na yung Giant, no? So this is yung department store where the Gundam robot is here. We're checking out. So unahan is the famous Rainbow Bridge here in Tokyo. Nice location din to, no? But medyo pricey yung mga hotels, but i-compute mo kasi yung mga biyahe mo balik-balik dito, more or less mag-even out din. You get a cheaper hotel, but you have to take the taxi or even the cheapest subway. So that is yung so going back hotel na tayo, na subway mismo in front of Hilton Hotel here in Odaiba. Andyan yung train station. Pwede pala talaga. You take a train. Yan. We're staying in this hotel. Going back to our hotel. We'll be checking out in less than an hour. This is the famous na Rainbow Hotel. Yeah. That's it. Oh, yung subway pala, labas mismo. Tabi lang ng hotel. Ano po? May picture. Today is our last day. Grabe yung final na shots ng Rainbow Hotel here in Odaiba, Tokyo.